Hey Albert! Hey track fans, how you doing? And welcome back to a new track. We got a new car on the track, the Bentley Continental GT3 100 edition. He is looking amazing, and that's a good point, because a lot of people have been asking me, Pete, why aren't you doing these cars? Why aren't we having a look around the cars and inside the cars? So at the end of the track, we're going to do the usual stuff, a track preview. We're going to have a drive around the track, a bit of commentary. Then we're going to do some looking at the car. So we'll go to the garage at the end of the race, open it up, make sure it's okay after running around a little bit, chatting to you guys. And then keep tuned, because after the end credits, if you're a certain age, movies and videos used to have outtakes. So might get to see a couple of crashes there, or a couple of things not going according to plan. But there you go. Anyway, that's the track fans motto. Let's have some fun. Anyway, on the track today, track side, is the Bentley Continental GT3. So let's drive. Here we go. Into Gambon, round a sort of stagger drift circle there, like that. Long sweeping pass at the back. So we'll take a corner by corner and talk through what makes this track great. So long stretches here, simulating a 4-lane track there ultimately. Now this back long stretch round there is a sort of similar to the last track. I really love the fact that we can stick our foot down like this, get some speed. You can hear that car sort of revving up as it gets that throttle going. I like that. So we put another one of them in. We've got R1 corner there. You've got to have a bit of slow down, a bit of drive skill to your race. Good to practice. Half an R1 turn. Gambon. We all know Gambon. He's absolute track fans TV show-stopping corner favourite. The amount of cars that have become unstuck trying to get around Gambon too quickly and punished, derailed, crashed, off the edge. It all goes on Gambon corner, and here we are again through the drift circle there, round the long stretch overpass, and coming down through our first of two bridges, the Goodyear Bridge, which has got our people in there. Check back a couple of episodes where we actually painted those figures. So we'll start building up our scenery now. We're into slot car. We love our Scalextric, so let's start to get a bit more creative fun with it. How's the car driving? The car is good. The car is actually making its way to the second of our bridges, which is the Dunlop Bridge. Love yellow. It's my favourite colour in the world. But anyway, back to the Bentley Continental GT3. It drives just like the Mercedes AMG GT3. Very responsive to the trigger of the Scalextrics. Very smooth to drive. It doesn't sound granular or gritty. The engine is like really smooth, and it is fast. Watch. Whoa. Okay, nearly put it into the air barrier there. We've got to take our time on those short straights and save it for the long outer ring perimeter. What about if we try and get a couple of lane changes? Missed it. Here we go. On the inside now. Let's get some drift. Yeah, we got the drift in there. Let's bring it around and see if we get some more drift going on. We do like a bit of drift in the track fans den. What do you think, Albert? There it is. God blimey, brilliant stuff. Anyway, live time, bringing it round. Oh, he's stuck. Can we burn him out? He's got free. The Bentley is on it like a bonnet. He is stuck there though. This is a problematic little piece of track there. Everything gets stuck there. So let's bring him round. Bring him round to pole. We're going to bring him into pit. Looks like his spoilers come loose. Everyone, we need to take this Bentley to the garage. Perfect opportunity to open the Bentley up and to have a look inside. Let's do that. See you in the garage, track fans. Come on, Albert, let's go. Okay, track fans, Albert. Thought we'd do a little bit extra this year, just enhance these videos a bit. And a few people have asked me behind the scenes during the last year, can we have a look at the car? We want to see the car. you're racing the car. The tracks are great, but we want to see the car. We want to know what it looks like underneath. We want to see inside. So we'll have a review. Let's do it. Like, I know nothing really about slot cars other than racing them on tracks. So this will be like a real layman's view in what this car looks like. So let's take a look at it. We've got really, really exceptional detail through this car. I love the way the branding has been really thought out. So you got flashes that come here, that lend themselves here, work around the back of the car. It's a really, really nice detail to the car. Love the neon style lights. They're really cool in the dark, and we raced them really nicely against the Aston Martin from the last video. Check it out now if you didn't see it before. Nice detail on the tyres. Here we go. Here's the underside. As you see, I've popped a digital chip in so that when we do our races, we can do some nice lane changes or come into a pit stop if we had a pit stop set up on this track, but we don't. So, sad times, made in China. If we look back to this previous film we did, Will It Work? That's right, that's what it was called, Will It Work? And we had the Scalextrics from 1989, and we set it up, and it wasn't that great, but it was a good experiment. And if you have a look at the picture now, this used to say made in Great Britain. Travesty. So should we open it up? Should we have a look? Come on then, let's do this. So I'll freeze frame you there, and then you'll come back and it'll already be done. Okay, we're back. Right, I've undone the screws at the bottom, so we can literally just lift it off. Okay, so inside here, you can see the driver. He's looking good. Really, really exceptional detail. Right down to, you know, the wing mirrors, the door handles. I like that. Let's put that there nicely. So here's the inside. Standard Scalextric motor. We've got nice rear view lights. Quite interesting. That comes down, mounts up onto these resistors, transistors. Who knows? I wasn't that great at physics or electrics or whatever it is. Anyway, here we are. Here's the front lights. And you've got the guide rail there, works underneath here. So there you have it, digital chip installed here. Lights, motor, quite interesting. Short, not sure how you describe it. Some cars, they have a longer bit here with a spindle on it. Cool. Anyway, so that's how it looks. Let's put it back together. And I will see you soon, track fans.